Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the most uproarious and electrifying video series ever witnessed. Get ready to be blown away as we present to you the ultimate showdown between human wit and the most incredible stone decking in the world, Tanzite. Every week for the next 8 weeks, I, Billy Joe Stone, alongside my brother Kyle, will be bringing you a side-splitting spectacle as 8 daring challengers put their skills and absurdities to the test against the indomitable Tanzite. Can these challengers triumph over the untamable? First up, we have Tanzite versus Aquadon, the water-loving warrior. Will Tanzite stay unshaken as Aquadon attempts to drench it with the power of the ocean? Then get ready for the fiery face-off as Tanzite takes on the Scorchbane. Can this heat wave withstand the burning intensity? Brace yourselves as we witness the dance of destruction in Tanzite versus Shardstorm. Will the sharp-edged onslaught prevail? Feast your eyes on the most delicious challenge, Tanzite versus Stainvora. Can Tanzite keep its spotless reputation intact? Next, the cleanliness clash, Tanzite versus Toxinatrix. Can Tanzite withstand the chemical chaos? Clear the air, it's Tanzite versus Pyro Smoke, the epic showdown of fire and stone. Winter has come early in Tanzite versus Froststone. Can Tanzite brave the chill of ice and snow? And finally, the wildest confrontation yet, Tanzite versus Anamorph Storm. Can Tanzite remain unshaken amidst the fury and feathery mayhem? Get ready to be amazed and entertained as Tanzite takes on the most unbelievable challengers in this uproarious new video series. Don't miss the premiere of Tanzite Showdown with me and my brother Kyle, coming soon to your screens. Get ready to be astonished by the power of Tanzite. Are you ready, Kyle?